Well, honey, that was another excellent dinner.
Well, thank you, honey. I do try hard.
Well, what would you like to do now?
Well, I don't know. What would you like to do?
How about Monopoly?
Oh, no, I'm bored of Monopoly.
Well, how about electronic backgammon?
We played that last night.
How about pachinko?
Again? No.
I know. How about music?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Honey, have you been lending out our albums again?
Your favorite and most treasured record lost forever. Oh no, this used to be hopeless. And what about this? And this? It's a vinyl disaster. But wait, thanks to a space-age polymer sealant, these priceless recordings can be like new again. Introducing the new Record Repair Kit. It's amazing. Just apply liberally to damaged areas, wait a full 10 seconds, and press together. It bonds like magic, creating an invisible seal that lasts for years. Satisfaction is guaranteed, or your money back. So just 25 seconds after his album was shattered to bits, just look at the amazing change.
Hey, honey, I've got a new copy of that album.
What a man.
That's the amazing Record Repair Kit. Also great for 8-tracks and cassettes.